In this video, we will show you how to set up milkweed and blooming plant survey transects within a linear plot. Linear plots include sites such as rights-of-way, roadsides, railways, or power lines, as well as agricultural edges. Recall that the monitoring plots along rights-of-way and agricultural edges are usually linear and run lengthwise along the length of the roadside or field edge. Within rights-of-way, 10 50-meter transects run diagonally across the width of the plot. This achieves more representative sampling. Sometimes the vegetation near the edge of the plot, such as close to the road, is quite different from that of the middle, so this method ensures that it is all included in the data you collect. If the right-of-way is very narrow, the diagonal will be very acute and the transect ends are lined up. However, if the right-of-way is very wide, that diagonal will be closer to perpendicular with the road. If laid end to end, they wouldn't cover as much length of the sampling plot, so we add some distance between them to spread them out. If your right-of-way is 30 to 40 meters wide, add 10 meters after the end point of each transect, and if it's 40 to 50 meters wide, add 20 meters. To make these transects, walk your tape measure straight out for 50 meters along the roadside edge, then walk across the right-of-way to the other edge so that your 50 meters of tape is taut and crosses the entire right-of-way area. You'll either want to anchor down the end or have a partner hold an end and walk out the tape. These transects are usually diagonal, crossing the width of the plot, and if the right-of-way is 50 meters wide or greater, the transects will be parallel. The width of the right-of-way or agricultural field edge may vary. It's okay if your transects are not at all parallel. The important part is to make sure that each transect is 50 meters long and it runs from one edge of the plot to the other. You are now ready to set up transects within a linear plot. You should now continue to Activity 1, Part 3.